What do you got, Steph? What does it say? Oh, that's so cute. Is that a butterfly?
Read it. Read it. Read a card.
Who made this? Happy? Happy birthday, Steph. What does that say? Wishing you a very special happy birthday, Uncle Tony, Natalie, Auntie Doris, Uncle Tony, Natalie, and James. Awesome.
Uncle Tony.
Cool. Do you like that butterfly? Neat, huh? What do you say?
Thank you.
And give her a kiss on the camera. Kisses. Good job. Okay, you too. Okay, say bye.
Bye.